Hi friends! In this video, we'll show you how to send WhatsApp messages directly from Google Sheets. You'll see fields like client name, mobile number, message, and payment due date. Once we run the script, a clickable link will appear in the E column, allowing you to send messages directly. So, let's get started. Now, go to the extension and click on App Script. You can also rename the script document if you like. I've already created the script for you, so all you need to do is simply copy and paste it. Now, simply click on the Run button, and you'll need to grant a few permissions, just like you see in the video. Once you do that, you'll see the execution status change to Completed. Now Sheet. Here, you'll see that in the E column, a clickable link is automatically generated. When you click on this link, you'll be redirected to the number where you want to send the message. In the footer section, you can also see that all the data we prepared in the Google Sheet is now available on WhatsApp. You can just click the Send button, and the message will be sent to your client. This way, you no longer need to search for each client's number on WhatsApp. You can send messages directly from Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.